In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google API key in Google Cloud Platform using the Cloud Console. Whether you're developing applications that need to integrate with various Google services or simply experimenting with Google's numerous APIs, having an API key is crucial. It acts like a pass that allows your application to communicate with Google's services securely and efficiently. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your very own API key set up. The first step in this process is to navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Once you've accessed the console, you'll want to select the appropriate project. If you haven't created a project yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. The project serves as a container for all your Google Cloud resources, providing an organized structure that makes it easier to manage everything related to your application or service. After you've selected your project, look towards the left-hand menu where you'll find an option labeled APIs and Services. Hover over or click it to reveal a drop-down, then select Credentials from the list. This is the section where you'll be managing all your API keys, OAuth 2.0 client IDs, and other authentication credentials. Next, you'll see a button that says Create Credentials. Click on this, and a small menu will appear, offering you several choices. You'll want to pick the option that says API Key. By selecting this, you're telling Google that you want to create a new key specifically for API access. Once chosen, the console will automatically generate a new API key string for you. It's a unique identifier that you'll use to identify your application or service when calling Google's APIs. As soon as the key is generated, make sure to copy it. This API key is essential, and you'll need to insert it into your application to authorize and authenticate your requests to Google services. Remember that this key should be kept secure, as it is like the key to your application's communication with Google's resources. Even though having an API key is already a step towards security, it's highly recommended to take it a notch further by imposing restrictions on the key. You can do this by clicking on Edit or selecting the Restrict Key option. Here, you have the flexibility to specify which APIs the key can access, limit usage to certain HTTP referrers, or even restrict it to specific IP addresses. These added layers of security help ensure that your API key is only used for its intended purposes and reduces the risk of unauthorized access or misuse. In summary, setting up a Google API key through the Cloud Console is a straightforward process. But it's important to follow each step carefully and apply restrictions for enhanced security. With your API key now ready and secured, you're well prepared to start integrating Google's powerful services into your projects. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to leave comments or questions if you need further help.